here we are heading to Claremont to pick up a very special order for our eldest daughter who feels she doesn't get anything in life from her parents, but this is a surprise. Drove all the way from Fresno to Claremont. We had a sleepless night, dad driving. So we got a rental here and we're heading to the place right now. We'll get there in about 15 minutes and we'll see what the surprise is. Hopefully she'll like what she sees on her special graduation day, which is only 2 days away. So in 2 days, here we are. Hard planning, hard work. It's not easy. Like they say, life is like a box of chocolate. You never know what's inside. Alright, to be continued. Got anything to say, Father? Okay. Alright, we're driving up to the place now. Place. All that belongs to this Toyota. Parking right here. See you later. Alright guys, let's see if we're gonna walk away with something. We'll see.
Taking the Beamer back up there, huh?
So here we are, guys, at Claremont Toyota.
So lights are automatic. You don't really have to do
in
anything.
there.
For the gas is right here. The trunk is right there. Okay. Turn on the vehicle. Can I borrow the key real quick?
All right, guys, today's the day. So we finally made it.
น้อยขายเบอร์ทุกคนมาก่อน
เพิ่นยังบ่ฮู้เทื่อเพิ่นบ่ฮู้เด้อ
You go
โดยเพิ่นบ่
stand
ฮู้
over there so that who's bring her out
น่ะ
okay
ฮะบังแน่บังจังหน่อย Everybody's waiting to see, guys.
Yeah, what store? You're lying. No. You're lying. What? Wait.
Are you sure? What is that?
Wait, whose car is that?
Whose car is that?
Wait, what? Oh, that's not your car? I know. Wait, where did this come from? Wait.
From Antina.
From your parents.